How easily do endo on a frontal incisor, a quick and super efficient guide that will definitely help you in practice. So, first, start with proper access. Keep it conservative, don't remove too much tooth structure, avoid damaging the internal walls. Second, clean the coronal pulp. Use an excavator or a slow-speed handpiece with a round bore. Don't use high speed here. It's easy to perforate the buccal wall. Third, make a pathway. Use a file size 8 or 10 to reach the apex. Check the length with the apex locator. Keep in mind, the physiological apex is usually about 1 mm shorter than the radiographic apex. Fourth, shape the canal. Use hand files and rotary files to gradually widen the canal. Always respect your working length and irrigate after every step to keep the canal clean. I usually finish at size 30 or 35, depending on the case. Fifth, obturation. Dry the canal with paper points, apply sealer and insert the master cone of gutta-percha. Cut it with the heat, leaving about 6 mm in the apical portion, and then backfill the remaining space to the CAJ using warm gutta-percha. Done! Easy, right? Say this so you don't lose it and share it with friends who need to see it.